In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a print-on-demand business with Printify and Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about what print-on-demand is. Simply put, it's a business model that allows you to sell custom designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, and more, without having to manage inventory. Instead of printing a bulk order up front, products are created on demand. So when a customer places an order, that's when the product gets printed and shipped directly to them. This means you can focus more on creating your designs and marketing them, rather than worrying about stock management. Now, we're going to use Printify and Shopify for this journey. Printify is a print-on-demand service that connects seamlessly with Shopify, an e-commerce platform that allows you to build and manage your online store. Let's get started with the first step. The first thing you need to do is create a Shopify account. Head over to the Shopify website and sign up for a free trial. You'll need to provide some basic information like your email address and create a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Shopify dashboard, which is your command center for building your online store. Now let's make our store a reflection of you. You'll want to customize the look of your Shopify store. Navigate to the Theme section in your dashboard. Here you can choose a theme that resonates with your brand. There are free and paid options available, so pick one that works for you. After you've chosen a theme, hit the Customize button to edit things like your storefront's colors, fonts, and layout. This gives your potential customers their first impression of your brand, so make it appealing. Next up, we need to create some products. So let's integrate Printify with Shopify. To do this, go to the Printify website and sign up for an account. After you've registered, you'll need to connect your Printify account with your Shopify store. Look for the Manage My Stores option in Printify and click on Connect. They'll guide you through the process, and before you know it, your accounts will be linked. Now that we have our accounts connected, it's time to add some products. Within Printify, you can browse through a variety of items, from t-shirts to hoodies, mugs to phone cases. Pick a product that you feel passionate about. Once you select a product, you'll have the option to upload your design. If you don't have any designs yet, there are plenty of free design tools and services available online to help you create something eye-catching. Once your design is uploaded, you can customize the product further, choosing its colors and sizes. Don't forget to write compelling product descriptions. This is your chance to persuade potential customers why they should buy from you. After creating the product, set your pricing. Remember to consider your costs, production fees from Printify, and how much profit you want to make. Once everything looks good, hit that Publish button to make the product live on your Shopify store. Congrats, you've just created your first product. Now let's talk marketing. Once you have a few products in your store, the next step is to drive traffic to it. Consider using social media platforms to showcase your designs. Instagram and Facebook are great places to build a community around your brand. You could also consider starting an email list to engage directly with potential customers. And finally, a few tips on order management and customer service. As orders come in, Printify will handle the printing and shipping, but you'll want to stay on top of any customer inquiries. Good customer service is key to building a loyal customer base and promoting repeat purchases. So there you have it. From setting up your Shopify account to integrating with Printify and marketing your products, you're now equipped to start your very own print-on-demand business. Remember, consistency is crucial, and don't hesitate to experiment with your designs and marketing strategies until you find what works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give a like. Happy selling, and I can't wait to see the amazing creations you bring to life. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.